Before programming, let's do the wiring of the circuit. First of all, we need a breadboard. This is my breadboard. It will take some moment. As I'm using full size breadboard, so I'm switching my here. And second thing, we need an Arduino board. This is my Arduino Uno series board. Okay. Now my objective is to blink the LED. So I'll have my LED on the output devices. Now we have to put some resistor in the negative terminal. You can also connect your resistor to the positive terminal, but I'm connecting this positive terminal to pin number 7 of Arduino board. Okay, now I am going to connect this negative terminal of LED by a resistor to the ground. Okay, this is my ground, so I'll connect my ground from here. Okay, oops. As ground is taken as low potential, so I'll change the color of the wire to black wire. Okay, and if I click to this terminal, so yellow line represents my negative terminal is connected to ground terminal of the Arduino board. Now let's do the programming of this circuit. So here is my programming part, and programming is done in C language. Okay, and in Arduino programming there are two predefined functions which are void setup. Okay, in void setup we'll declare our Arduino pins. Okay, and second function is void loop function. Here we'll write the logic of our objective. Okay, now here our objective is to blink the LED which is connected to pin number 7 of Arduino board. Okay, in LED equals to 7. Alright, now here we will declare our LED. Okay, for that we will write a keyword pin mode LED as an output. Okay, as you know, our LED is an output component. Alright, now here we want to blink the LED. Okay, so to turn on the LED we'll write a keyword digital right. Make sure your W should be capital and it is case sensitive. Alright, LED high. It will turn on the LED. Alright, now we have to put some delay. For that we'll write delay. We want to turn on LED for 1 second, so that's why we'll write 1000 millisecond, which makes 1 second. Alright, now we have to turn off the LED. For that we will write digital right LED low. Alright, it will turn off the LED. Okay, and same will turn off the LED for 1 second. Okay, and after completing this operation, this will loop will get back to digital right LED high. Alright, now upload your code on Arduino board. Okay, right, on off, on off, on off, on off. Okay, so that was my required objective. Now let's do our next exercise.